To construct a perpendicular bisector, you want to put the center of your compass on point A. Then you want to move your radius more than half of that line and make a swoosh. You want to keep that same length and do it on point B. Ain't the best, but. And where these two lines intersect, make a point, and then run a line going through those 2 points, which is going to create a right angle. For constructing an angle bisector, you want to put the center of your compass on the angle, and then you can use whatever radius you want and make a swoosh. Then create a point where the swoosh goes through those 2 lines, and then put the center of your compass on that line, make a swoosh, the same on the other. And where the center of the angle is to this point out here, you want to make a line. Like the one before, we're going to do the exact same. Put the center of your compass on the angle, make a swoosh, create 2 points, then make another swoosh out here, another swoosh out here. Put a point there, and then make a line going down. To construct a square and inscribed, or a squared inscribed in a circle, you're going to put a point in the middle, then set your radius to whatever. I'm going to set mine to 2.5 centimeters. Then make a circle. Then what you want to do is basically constructing a perpendicular bisector inside that. So you want to make a diameter and create the points where that diameter lies onto the circle, and make your radius or your compass more than half of that diameter. Make a swoosh, to the same on the other point, make a swoosh, then put a point where those 2 swooshes intersect, then make a line going through all those points. Then wherever then make a point or whatever that line goes through the circle. You want to take this point to that point, or this point to that point, and this point to that point, and then finally this point to that point.
When constructing a perpendicular bisector, you want to have the center of your compass on point A, and you want to move your radius over half of the circle, or half of the line, and then you want to go and make the arc, and then you want to move the center of your compass onto the other point and make another one. And then you're going to have 2 points, and you're going to put your compass on both of those points and draw a line that goes through both, and you should have a right angle right there. In constructing an angle bisector, you want to put the center of your compass on the angle, the center of the angle, and you want to make an arc that goes through the angle, like both lines, and you're gonna put a point right there, and right there where the arc intersects with both of the lines, and you're gonna have the radius set at the same point that you made the arcs with. And so then you're gonna go to these 2 points and make another arc right there, and another arc right there, and then you're going to put a point where those two lines cross, and set your compass to where it will go through the point back right there, and then you construct an angle bisector. And on the same thing, or right here, you're gonna do the same thing. Make a swoosh. Make a swoosh. Another swoosh. Point. Make sure it goes through the point back to the angle, and then you have an angle bisector. And in constructing a triangle inscribed in a circle, it doesn't really matter where you have your radius at, but you just need to have the center of your circle. I'm gonna move my radius out to 2 centimeters, and then you're just gonna go around and you're just gonna go around, make a circle, and then after that you're gonna leave the radius at the same point, and that first part where you started the circle, you're gonna put a dot, and then your radius is still gonna stay at 2 centimeters, and you're just gonna go around the circle and make little lines. And you should end up at least pretty close, or going right back to where you started. And to make a triangle, you're going to use every other line. So right here, here, and my original dot, and then you're just going to connect them using your compass. So now we have a triangle inscribed in a circle, and to make a hexagon, you connect every point. And then you have a triangle and a hexagon inscribed in a circle.